project and give some proper name for this. Keep all other settings default and say next. So now you have created a project. As I've told you, go to this component mode to select the components. For integrator, you need op-amp, that is the 741 op-amp. Select that op-amp and you need register. Uh, Let us say, okay, you will get this. You select this 3 by 1K register and capacitor on non-electrolyte capacitor you select. Okay, then these are the three major components needed. Okay, you need ground, that we can select it later. Now place the op-amp and there should be one input register. Uh, then capacitor in the feedback, then register in the feedback, register in the feedback. Okay, you need supply for the this circuit, that is open. For supply is needed, DC supply should be given. It is a dual power supply, takes two power supply, one is VCC and another is minus VCC. So to watch the waveform, you need even ground. So I'll select ground. To watch the waveform, you need oscilloscope. Then you need to give the input from the signal generator. Now make the connection. So through input register, you give the input to the inverting terminal, that is pin number 2. You should remember this. You should give the pin input to pin number 2. Then another end of the signal generator should be connected to ground. Connect supplies, that is plus VCC or then minus VCC. So connect the feedbacks to this and then okay. So let us give one input to B from the signal generator and output on channel A. Okay, now you to edit the supply, double click on this. So pin number 7 is plus VCC, I'll give my plus 15 volt. Pin number 4 is minus 15 volt. Then pin number 3 should be grounded. Okay, this is the connection, and edit the component value according to the design. So I have designed it for 1 kilohertz. So I am assuming 0.1 microfarad. 0.1 register and so for 0.1 microfarad resistor input resistance, I have got it as 159. Okay, now you need to give the input. If everything is well, then you can simulate it by clicking here and give the input. So let us say I will give input and approximately 1 or 2 kilohertz. frequency. Then let us say some 4 volt the input. Then change the as for the input square wave input, it should give a triangular output. Change that. Click here. Give the square wave. Okay. As you can see, uh, so yellow is our output. So you are getting the triangular wave. For the blue one is the input channel. Okay. You can move it for a square wave. Integrator is generating a triangular waveform. This is how you simulate the integrator to generate triangular wave from a square wave. Thank you. Hope this helps for your experiment.